Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete your history on the Western Union app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So to do this, just go and open up the app and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be on this page. Here, click Menu in the top right. From here, click on History. Now here you will see all of your transfers. We have online transfers and in-store transfers. Now for example, I've got one online transfer here. And in order to remove this from your history, simply click on the Remove button. Then here it says, are you sure you want to remove this transfer from your history? Go ahead and confirm that you want to do it by clicking on Yes. And now as you can see, we have removed your transfer. So that's basically how you can delete your history on the Western Union app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.